Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add transition effects for your videos in Microsoft Clipchamp. So let's get started. First thing, just import your video and add it to the timeline. The next step is going to be you must make a cut in the video where you want to add the transition. So just move this pointer over here or to any place where you want to add the transition. So after coming here, just press this split icon and we'll be getting that clip split over here like this. And now if you hover over this, we'll be having the add transition button. If you click it to the right, here you can see we are having the transition and we are having these many transition effects to choose from. Let me show another way and then explain you what each transition does. So the another way is going to be here to the left, we are having this transition icon. Select it and the same options will be appearing over here. And for example, let me just go with this burn transition, which just gives it the red theme when changing. So I'll just drag it and drop it in the middle of that videos. So now the transition has been applied and this thing will be appearing in the right. So now if I play it, as you can see, you just saw right, there is a quick red color theme over there. So apart from fades and blurs, we are having the vibes, which basically like swipes the video to left, right and down, and we are having the blinds also. The great thing is it also gives us a short preview what exactly that's going to come. In my view, my favorite is this pushes. It just pushes one video down and up, right and left. I'll just show you a demo how this looks. So drag and drop it over here and this will push the video to right. So that looks super cool. And another favorite of mine is over here, which is this 3D. As you can see, we have the cube, exchange, page turn, reveal. All these four are like high quality effects. So here I am already having the right swipe transition, right? But what if you wanted to replace it? You don't have to delete it manually and then replace it. Rather than that, you can simply drag this and here we'll be having replace transition. Drop it and now we will be having the 3D cube. Look, that looks super amazing. And another feature that they have to customize this transition is the duration of this transition effect. So as you can see, if I play this goes quite fast, right? If you feel it goes quite fast, what you can do is just click on that transition and to the right you will be having the button, click it, and if you go to that particular transition, here we will be having duration. So by default it gives us a number. We can just increase or decrease it based upon our use case. So let me go with 3 seconds, and now if I play it, that transition effect will last longer. So that applies for literally all the transition effects, not only for this 3D one. You can adjust the duration of the effect. And another cool thing is this exchange, one of my personal favorites. Yeah, that looks super good. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.